It's been here for a long time. It's been part of this community, a cornerstone of this community. And when it was destroyed, it was hard to get over that. We have a lot of the community events here locally, Chamber of Commerce events, to a ton of fishing tournaments.
It's something that'll be rebuilt and I believe will last here for quite a while. There'll be an opportunity to have this in place and not worry about another wind event impacting like it did the last facility that was here.
Kids from all over the country came down here and fished. Families who couldn't afford a boat came here to fish.
This is a very large tourist and economic draw for the city. So it's good to see it come back. There is nothing more satisfying than watching a community return.
It's important for y'all to really understand in this world that FEMA is here to help. Met a lot of wonderful people at FEMA that care.